If you shop at Costco regularly, most people get this wrong. They just use debit or other credit cards and leave rewards on the table. The Costco Anywhere Visa Card by CD is built to maximize cash back on your everyday Costco purchases and more. Here's how it works. You earn 4% cash back on eligible gas for the first $7,000 per year, then 1% after that. You get 3% back on restaurants and eligible travel, 2% on Costco purchases and Costco.com, and 1% on everything else. There's no annual fee beyond your Costco membership, which makes the card extremely cost-effective for regular shoppers. Tips to get the most value. 1. Use it for Costco gas to hit that 4% cashback cap each year. 2. Pay for dining and travel to take advantage of the 3% bonus. 3. Redeem your cash back once a year, typically as a reward certificate you can use at Costco, giving you full flexibility. Who should get this card? Frequent Costco shoppers, families that fill up at Costco gas stations, and anyone who spends heavily on dining or travel. The card is especially valuable if you combine Costco's low prices with these cashback rewards. In short, the Costco Anywhere Visa Card by CD rewards your everyday spending in categories that matter most to Costco shoppers. If this review helped you see how to maximize your rewards, subscribe for more tips on optimizing credit cards for savings. With careful use, this card can pay for a significant portion of your annual Costco shopping.